Welcome to Baikumi. A salad makes a great starter for any meal. And today we're preparing a creamy Japanese sesame seed dressing that not only goes well with everything we make here at Baikumi, but can also be made vegan. Let's get started. The ingredients today: roasted white sesame seeds, rice vinegar, sugar, avocado oil or similar neutral flavored oil, soy sauce or tomato sauce, yellow or white onion, mayonnaise, which is optional. I like to use vegan-friendly Vegenaise, salt, diamond crystal kosher salt if possible, ground black pepper. And for the tools: small mixing bowl and spoon, measuring cup or measuring glass, 1/3 cup measuring cup, half tablespoon measuring spoon, which is also 1½ teaspoons, 1/8 cup measuring cup, and a spatula, cutting board and knife, fine grater, sesame grinder if you have one, or a Ziploc bag and a rolling pin will also work, container for storing, and a serving bowl. Time to grind the sesame seeds. I'll use my hand grinder by pouring 1/3 cup roasted sesame seeds into the top. And by turning the handle, I have ground sesame seeds in my bowl. Otherwise, you can pour the sesame seeds into a Ziploc, then press the air out of the bag and seal securely. Crush the sesame seeds by rolling over the Ziploc with the rolling pin. When finished, pour the crushed sesame seeds into the small bowl. Meanwhile, I'm still going with my hand grinder. It's time to begin mixing in the remaining ingredients. Add 1/4 cup rice vinegar to the bowl with the ground sesame seeds. Add 1/4 cup avocado oil or similar neutral flavored oil. Add a half a tablespoon soy sauce or tomato sauce. Add 1/4 cup sugar. I'm using the 1/8 cup measuring cup and need to add 2 scoops. Now mix thoroughly. Let's grate the onion. Cut off the top and peel off the outer layer. Grate 1 or 2 tablespoons. This is about 1 tablespoon. I'll stop here and grate more if necessary. Add in the grated onion and mix. Sprinkle in the salt and pepper to taste and mix again. Let's try it. It's really good. To make it creamy, add 1/8 cup mayonnaise, but this is optional. I like a creamier dressing, so I'll add 1/8 cup Vegenaise. Mix thoroughly and that's it. Pour into a container and store in the refrigerator. Enjoy! Thanks so much for watching, and as always, for more information or a printable recipe, visit baikumi.com. And don't forget to share your photos. We'll see you again soon. じゃあね!